This is the Watch Rosa. You saw it in always on mode. Now it's come back into its full watch face mode. Twist it again and it'll go into its sleep mode, one of several digital or analog displays. When you swipe down, you have all these different controls here. Overall brightness, twist your wrist to see the time, a flashlight, a water drop, which means it'll make some music or vibration in the speaker if you've been swimming with it. Yep, it's fully waterproof, this watch. Alarms and power levels and your overall system settings are shown here. Bing, it just changed. When you go up, it'll give you notifications sent from your phone when you're paired to your phone. You also have, when you swipe over to the side, a quick look at your step count, calories burned, and times you've been standing throughout the day. Your overall step count is listed right there. This will take a one-time measurement of heart rate, blood oxygen, and your stress level. Here's last night's sleep time in a chart form. And when you're looking in the apps on the watch or in the phone, you'll get much more detail on here as well. The different activities you can do that invoke GPS. There is GPS in here, as well as a compass and a barometer and an altimeter. So it's an adventurer's watch, yet it's designed as a dress watch, a lady's watch, a man's watch. It's robust. You got weather in your area or whatever area, city you put in there. It'll show you that. An integrated music player. And then Alexa, if you're tied in with Amazon, this has the ability to log into your Amazon account and you can control your lights, turn on your car engine. I don't know, whatever you do with Alexa, you can do it here. And back to the watch faces where you can tap and hold and switch through a whole variety of them that you can download from the store that's on board the phone and load them in. This comes with two actual bands. This is the rubberized one, and then there's a leather one that matches it. It's thin, lightweight, well-designed, just a beautiful watch. It's called the Watch Rosa. Check it out.